Hi, this is Josh from Federal Signal Tech Support. So let's say you have a Convergence device that is having issues, such as the Pathfinder, Pathway, 4, 6, or 9 button controllers, serial interface module, any of the Pathfinder keypads, and etc. What we could try to do is put them into what is called Bootload mode, which is a tool that would allow you to reflash the firmware to potentially resolve any issues. This could also be used if, for example, you have a Pathway siren showing up as a Pathfinder, a PF400Q showing up as a PF400, and so on. You can use Bootload mode to reflash the firmware to the correct device. So now, we are going to move over to our test bench that has a Pathfinder amplifier hooked up to it, and we'll explain how to put it into Bootload mode to reflash the firmware. So first things first, go ahead and open up your programming file, and then disconnect any other devices besides the device you're trying to reflash. So any other Cat5 Ethernet devices, go ahead and disconnect. After that is complete, go ahead and open up File Explorer, which is usually located on the taskbar on the bottom, or just go ahead and search. Then go to local disk C drive on the left, then program files x86, then Federal Signal, then Federal Signal configuration software, then DLL, and then from here open up the PFC program by double-clicking. It'll then open up a command prompt window. It is a very powerful tool, so it's very important. Do not hit anything else on the keyboard besides what we're going to do next. So go ahead and type in B on the keyboard and then hit enter. It'll say entering bootload request sent, so that means it did send a request to the device you're trying to reflash. Now go ahead and go back into the Convergence software, and then go to firmware updates on the top, and then view device info. It will then show an error. Device is in bootload mode. Please select the device you have attached. Go ahead and click OK. And from here, you'll have a list of devices that you could reflash, which includes the Pathfinder PF100, PF200, and the PA4000, the Pathway, the PF400Q, the PF400, any of the 4, 6, or 9 button keypads, or the Pathfinder keypads, the 18-channel expansion module, the power distribution module, the serial interface module, and FS Direct module, OBD mod 16. So go ahead and select the device you're trying to reflash, and remember, do not select the incorrect device as it could result in permanent damage. And then go ahead and click submit, and then it'll now reflash the firmware. Okay, so it looks like it is going to finish up here. And then it should disappear, and after that point, go to firmware updates on the top and then view device info. It will then show your device up to date and hopefully the correct device listed. So go ahead and close that out, and then go to device on the top and then program device so you could do further testing. And that is all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to call our tech support line at 1-800-433-9132, option 1. Or alternatively, you could send us an email at fsstechsupport@sig.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.